Hi guys. In this short video, I've got two exciting things to introduce. First is this channel is now memberships. It's been approved for that. So you'll see a join button from now on videos that you can click. And then if you have the ability to support it and you want to support this channel, then you can do so via memberships. And they will also offer various exclusive perks, which are currently the sort of standardized what YouTube recommended kind of stuff. So if you have any more specific perks in mind, something that I can potentially offer, then feel free to let me know in the comments and I'll definitely consider those. Otherwise, the channel content will remain as free as it was before. There's nothing that's going to be changed potentially, apart from the fact that there's going to be more tutorials now. Because as you know, the second thing that I was going to introduce was our universities are now moving online, which means most of the content I teach at the university is also going to be here as well, or at least extracts from lectures and tutorials, which are primarily stuff like C++, Unreal Engine, Unity. So there's going to be a lot of game development stuff on this channel. And when I've got the time, I will also try to keep up with my Java tutorials as well, and we'll see how that goes. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching this video.